when is Remembrance Day? Remembrance Day is on 11th November each year. What is Remembrance Day? On Remembrance Day, we think about all of the soldiers who have fought in wars to help to keep us safe.
What happens on Remembrance Day? At 11 o'clock on Remembrance Day, people stay silent for 2 minutes. Poppies. People wear paper poppies to show that they are thinking about the soldiers that have fought in the wars. Buying a poppy helps to raise money to take care of soldiers and their families. Have you seen anyone wearing a poppy?
Remembrance unites people of all faiths, cultures, and backgrounds in honoring those who defend the democratic freedom and way of life. Article 13 states that governments must not allow children under the age of 15 to take part in war or join the armed forces. Government must do everything they can to protect and care for children affected by war and armed conflicts. Exploring remembrance. Why is it important to remember and commemorate those who have fought in wars? How does this link to Article 30 of the Convention?
Exploring remembrance. Children have a right to be protected during war. It's important to remember and acknowledge those who have fought to keep children safe, to show facts. Exploring remembrance. Children have a right to life during war, or the people lose their own lives. Then lives of children and a common taste. It is important to remember this. Why? If we forget that wars have been protected a way of life, we might make the same mistakes again.
It is important to think about how we can achieve a more peaceful future. It is important to consider ways to avoid war, to resolve conflict. Remembrance unites people of all faiths, cultures, and backgrounds. In order to pay our respects to those who have lost their lives to protect our country, Room 14 has written some arresting poems about remembrance.
Brave soldiers saving lives, remembering the soldiers. All those who survive needs help. Victory for all. Every family in silence after losing loved ones.
Having brave soldiers saves lives. Everyone is nice and safe, right? Respect people. Our heroes lost lives. Everyone is remembered. Soldiers felt for us need help.
Brass trumpets playing to remember those who have fallen. Remember those who fought in the wars. Are we ready for Remembrance Day? Very brave soldiers to be remembered. Every soldier is remembered.
Brave soldiers fought in the World War. Remembrance Day is every November. A lot of people died in the World War. Very sad heroes gave their lives to save us. Everybody gets a 1 minute silence.
People who lost their lives, everyone who survived was hurt. All heroes who put others first, caring families and sons. Everyone who fought died. Our challenge for you. An arresting poem is a poem which the first letter of each line spells out a word of bread. Read vertically. Can you write an arresting poem related to remembrance? You could use words like heroes, brave, remembrance, or histories.